out there at 10 yards. So there's 10 rounds.
She's only 6, 7 weeks. I gotta wait a little bit. Throw her, I'll take her in. That's what I'm talking about. What I want to do is show them the stator. And then daughter, New York, keep the dog out of the pool. You know, 20 minutes later, they take the dog out, turn around, run right back in. Now, my only thing is I want him to know how to get himself, because then he can go to the side and can't let himself out. But I got steps, so the old dog would just cruise right over the step as soon as her paw hit the ground. Yeah, I miss my old dogs still. Anyway, we may go with the 3 points next week. Like Wednesday, we're thinking about. And if we so I got a trout I'm getting on, I can't remember if it's Tuesday or Wednesday, a haircut on Wednesday or Thursday, and I got to get for a half shaft Tuesday, so next week I might be busy, I don't know. Okay, I just wanted to let you know. I haven't been out there in a while, so. And the only reason I bring up LaRue is I was eating there the other day with my wife and I had my usual green corn tamale and guacamole. I looked up and I said, I gotta have a Sonoran dog. I'm coming.
Not too bad for the camera. Damn it.
Did I hit you?
That was aiming it through the sight without the camera, so definitely shooting a little bit high, but that group is a little nicer than that one.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching gunwebsites.com.